It didn't rain in Thailand for a long time, but now a storm is coming. The nature needs water. It's very important, and finally the rain is coming. Maybe you can see the palm trees on this other building. They're already brown, 50% brown. And now the water is coming. Of course they water these plants, but they need a lot. They cannot water all these palm trees on the other building. So now they're happy because the rain is coming. Now let's check the other side. Oh wow! Nice. It will cool down everything. Never seen such a heavy rain in March in Thailand. It's nice because the dogs, they piss in every corner and now everything gets washed away. And it's very cold now. It's very cold for Thailand. But it feels great. After 2 hours, the rain is over. The sea is pretty calm at this time. And the sun is coming back. After 2 hours of heavy rain, the sun came back and things turned to normal again. Feels nice after the rain. You can see Koh Lan again. Take care. All the best to you.